students, I hope your preparation is going good. If not, don't worry. Sri Gurukula is here to help you. And I am Anmol Yadav. I will be your physics and mathematics mentor. I am an NIT-JEE graduate. So bring out your books. Let's make your preparation stress-free. So next question is, find the ratio in which the line segment joining the point A -6, 10 and B 3, -8 is divided by the point -4, 6. So we have 2 points, point A and point B, and point P is dividing point A in a ratio. Let's suppose that ratio is M1 is to M2. But if we will take this as a ratio, we have 2 unknowns, which is M1 and M2. We will have to solve 2 equations to find 2 unknowns, right? So instead of, there is a shorter way. What we will do, like if we have any ratio 1:2, we can actually write 1:2 as 1/2:1, correct? So any ratio like 1:3 can be written as 1/3:1, correct? So here M1 is to M2, we can write it as M1/M2:1. So M1/M2 is our ratio, right? So this is what we are supposed to find. So let's suppose M1/M2 is M. So we are supposed, so this P is dividing A and B in M:1, and M is the ratio in which it is dividing the A and B. So now we have only one unknown. We can solve with only one equation. So the formula for this, like now we have only M:1, right? So this is M and this is 1. So section formula for point P, which is -4, 6, is equals to, what we'll do, we'll take coordinate of A and this ratio. Coordinate of A is -6 into 1, correct? Now coordinate of B into M, so plus coordinate of B, which is 3, into M, divided by sum of this 2, which is M+1, comma. Now same for Y coordinate, will go for 10 into 1 plus -8 into M divided by M+1, correct? So just by any of one equation, like -4 is equals to this and 6 is equals to this. So using any equation, any one equation, you can find your answer. So let's suppose, let's take -4 is equals to -6 plus 3M divided by M+1. So the only unknown in this equation is M, and M will be our answer. So we will multiply this here. So we will get -4M. -4 is equals to -6 plus 3M. So this will go on the other side. It will become 7M. And this will come on the other side. It will become 6 minus 4. It will become 2. So M is equals to 2/7. So point P is dividing AB in 2:7. I will be back soon. Till then, keep practicing. This is Anmol Yadav from Sri Gurukula, signing off.